Hey everyone, it's Dr. Mike. Let's talk about spicing things up in the bedroom naturally. We all know that a healthy lifestyle contributes to a healthy love life, but what if I told you that the key to unlocking more passion and vitality could be as simple as grabbing a piece of fruit from the grocery store? Today, we're diving deep into the world of pomegranates. This unassuming fruit is packed with a surprising secret weapon that can revolutionize your bedroom game. We'll break down the science behind it, explore the incredible health benefits, and show you exactly how to incorporate it into your daily life. So, if you're ready to discover the natural path to a more fulfilling and passionate love life, stick around. This is going to be juicy. Let's be honest with ourselves for a second, alright? There are a ton of factors that can impact your performance in the bedroom. We're talking stress, low energy, maybe your diet hasn't been the best lately. We've all been there. It can be super frustrating, right? But here's the thing. You absolutely have the power to take control of your health and in turn, improve your intimate life. It's all about making smart choices and incorporating the right foods into your diet. And you know me, I'm all about using food as medicine whenever possible, so when I tell you that there's one fruit out there that stands out from the crowd when it comes to boosting your bedroom game, you know I'm not messing around. This isn't about some quick fix or a magic pill. This is about making sustainable changes to your lifestyle that will have a lasting, positive impact on your health and your relationships. We're talking about making a choice to feel more energized, more confident, and more connected to your partner. And trust me, the results will speak for themselves. So, are you ready to unlock your full potential? Let's get into it. Now let's get down to business. What exactly makes pomegranates the MVP of the bedroom? Time for a quick science lesson. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple. Pomegranates are bursting with antioxidants, especially these powerful little compounds called punicalagins. These guys are like superheroes for your blood vessels. They work their magic by fighting off those nasty free radicals that can damage your arteries and restrict blood flow. And why is blood flow so important? Well, it's pretty much the name of the game when it comes to performance in the bedroom. Good blood flow equals better circulation, and better circulation equals, well, you get the picture. But wait, there's more. Pomegranates have also been linked to increased testosterone levels. Now, before you guys out there start chugging pomegranate juice by the gallon, listen up ladies, because this applies to you too. Testosterone isn't just a male hormone. It plays a crucial role in both men and women when it comes to energy levels, mood, and yes, even libido. So maintaining healthy testosterone levels is key for everyone. And if that wasn't enough, pomegranates are also a natural stress reliever. They've been shown to lower cortisol, which is the hormone that's responsible for those feelings of stress and anxiety. We all know that stress can put a real damper on your mood and your love life. So anything that helps us unwind and de-stress is a win in my book. Okay, so we've talked about the science, but what about the real-world results? The good news is that the benefits of pomegranates aren't just theoretical. People who regularly incorporate pomegranate into their diets report some pretty amazing changes in their lives, both inside and outside the bedroom. We're talking about a significant boost in energy levels throughout the day, which can make a huge difference if you're feeling sluggish or run down. And let's be real, nobody wants to be yawning their way through a romantic evening. But it goes beyond just having more energy. People are also experiencing increased stamina and endurance. And when it comes to intimacy, well, let's just say that longer-lasting stamina is definitely a good thing. But here's the best part. Pomegranates aren't just about physical benefits. They can also have a profound impact on your emotional well-being and your relationships. Many people report feeling more connected to their partners, both emotionally and physically, after incorporating pomegranates into their diets. They feel more confident, more sensual, and more in tune with their bodies. And that's really what it's all about, isn't it? It's about feeling good in your own skin, feeling confident in your abilities, and feeling a deep, passionate connection with your partner. Now that you're experts on pomegranates, let's talk about incorporating this superfruit into your daily routine. Pomegranates are incredibly versatile. Enjoy them fresh, in salads, yogurt, or oatmeal. Add them to smoothies for a tasty, antioxidant-rich treat. Pomegranate juice is also a convenient option. Choose 100% pure juice. Use it in smoothies, cocktails, or as a glaze for dishes. Pomegranate seeds make a beautiful garnish for any dish. Here are a few extra tips to make sure you're getting the absolute most out of this incredible fruit. First things first, when you're picking out a pomegranate at the store, you want to choose one that feels heavy for its size. This indicates that it's nice and juicy inside. You also want to look for a deep red color and avoid any pomegranates that have bruises or blemishes. Once you've got your hands on the perfect pomegranate, it's all about consistency. Just like with any healthy habit, the key is to incorporate it into your routine regularly. Whether you're enjoying a handful of fresh seeds every day or sipping on a glass of pomegranate juice, aim for a daily dose to really experience the full benefits. And while pomegranate is a nutritional powerhouse, it's important to remember that it's not a magic bullet. For optimal health and well-being, it's crucial to combine it with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and of course, enough sleep. Don't underestimate the power of open communication with your partner. Talk to each other, share your desires, and work together to create a fulfilling and passionate love life. So there you have it. The secret to a better bedroom life is hiding right there in the produce aisle. Who knew that such a small fruit could pack such a powerful punch? But in all seriousness, incorporating pomegranate into your diet is a simple yet incredibly effective way to take control of your health and enhance your intimate life. It's all about making small, sustainable changes that add up to big results over time. Remember, it's not about quick fixes or magic pills. It's about making choices that make you feel good from the inside out. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried pomegranate before? What's your favorite way to enjoy it? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future videos about living your healthiest, happiest life. Until next time, stay healthy and stay curious. Thanks for tuning in to learn about the power of the mighty pomegranate. I hope you learned something new today about how to boost your health and your love life naturally. Remember, taking care of your body is one of the best things you can do for yourself and for your relationship. So go ahead and grab some pomegranates on your next grocery run and let me know how you like them. See you in the next video.